In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search one-way flights on Google Flight. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a clean, accurate one-way search, compare options, and move smoothly into booking. First, head to Google Flights in your browser. You can search for it or type the web address directly. Once the page loads, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is where everything happens. You'll see controls for trip type, passenger count, cabin class, the from and to fields, and the date picker. Before entering anything else, change the trip type to one-way. Google Flights often defaults to round trip, so open the trip type dropdown and select one-way to make sure you're only searching for a single departing flight. Next, set the number of passengers. Click the passengers control and choose how many adults, children, or infants are traveling. Getting this right ensures you see accurate prices and available seat counts. If you prefer a different cabin, adjust the cabin class now. Economy is the default, but you can switch to premium economy, business, or first if needed. Keep in mind that higher cabins can significantly change pricing and availability. Now enter your route. In the from field, type your departure city or airport. In the to field, type your destination. Google Flights will autocomplete and suggest airports as you type. If you're flexible, you can try nearby airports to uncover better fares or more convenient schedules. Choose your departure date by clicking the date field. Since this is a one-way trip, you only need to pick a single date. The calendar view often highlights lower fares on certain days, so take a moment to scan for cheaper options if your schedule allows. Click Search to see results. Google Flights will organize options by best, price, and duration. Use the filters to refine by number of stops, times, airlines, bags, and more. As you browse, check total travel time, layover lengths, and baggage policies so there are no surprises later. When you find a good match, select it to continue. Review the flight details, then choose the exact flight and fare you want. Confirm the timing, connection city, if any, and what the fare includes. You'll be prompted to add passenger details with the airline or a trusted booking partner. Enter names exactly as they appear on travel documents and provide accurate contact information to receive your itinerary. Finally, proceed to payment to confirm your booking. Double-check the total price, fare rules, and cancellation or change policies before you pay. Once completed, you'll receive a confirmation. Save it for easy access during your trip. That's all you need to search and book a one-way flight using Google Flights.